In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a flyer in Canva. Start by opening Canva in your browser and signing into your account. If you're not signed in, some design features may not work properly, so it's best to do that first. Once you're in Canva, open the Magic Design page. A simple way to do this is to type Canva Magic Design into your browser search bar and open the Canva result. Magic Design helps you generate ready-made layouts based on a short text prompt, which makes it especially useful if you're starting from scratch. When the page opens, you'll see a prompt box where you can describe the kind of flyer you want. Click into that box and type a clear description. For example, you could enter something like, "Create me a shop flyer," or be more specific with something like, "Create a grand opening flyer for a coffee shop." The more specific your prompt is, the more useful your design suggestions will usually be. After entering your prompt, click Generate Design. Canva will take a moment to create design ideas based on what you typed. At this point, you should see a set of generated designs appear on screen. Before choosing a design, check the format Canva is using. Near the Generate area, look for the small downward arrow. Click that to open the format options. This step is important because Canva can generate different types of designs, and you want to make sure you're creating a flyer rather than a presentation, post, or another layout type. From the list of format options, select Flyer. Once you do that, Canva will adjust the results for flyer sizing and layout. If the designs don't refresh automatically, generate the design again after selecting Flyer. Now review the flyer options Canva gives you. Look through the designs and choose the one that best matches your goal. When you find one you like, click on it to open it in the Canva editor. Once the flyer opens in the editor, you can begin customizing it. Click any text box to change the wording, such as the business name, event title, date, time, location, or contact details. If you want to update colors, fonts, or images, just click the element you want to change and use the toolbar or side panel options that appear. This is where you turn the generated template into your own finished flyer. As you edit, double-check that all your important information is included and easy to read. Beginners often focus on style first, but clarity matters most in a flyer. Make sure the headline stands out, the details are accurate, and the text isn't too small. If you don't like the first version, you can always go back and choose a different generated design, or keep tweaking the current one until it looks right. Canva is designed to be flexible, so don't worry if your first choice isn't perfect. When you're done, use the Share or Download option in the top right area of Canva to save your flyer. Choose the file type that fits your needs, such as PNG for digital sharing or PDF for printing. If you're printing the flyer, PDF is usually the better choice because it keeps the layout clean and professional. And that's how you create a flyer in Canva. Thanks for watching.